thing that sort of sparked me up today is like when we were talking about how much soil loss there was with the rainfall, how many tonnes of soil you could lose in a rain event. So yeah, that's something I'd never seen before.
The workshop was really good, helpful. It's good information related to the future farming, what we're going to do.
Everyone's in the same boat. The issues that are there are always going to be there, so you just keep working on them, and there are solutions there, and other problems come up, but you just keep finding those solutions.
Well, I'm pretty much up to speed with everything at the moment due to the projects that I'm involved with, so yeah, just to keep focused on that grassed areas is pretty important. If we don't stick to our best practices, the industry is going to suffer in the long run. You know, being close to the Great Barrier Reef, I've always been a believer of doing things the right way to, you know, preserve our soil structure in the farm.
These events are good. They're great moments, and they do give you, I suppose, impetus of other thoughts.
It's always good to come and have a listen, and like I said, even if you only picked out one subject of the presentation and you took it away, it's adding to your knowledge all the time.
Yeah, no, the subject matter is very good. It was covered, thorough, detailed, most beneficial.